Hello, folks. My name is Cameron from Plus Five Designs, and today we are talking about medium and high risk orders and how to prevent yourself from being scammed online in the online world. Hello again. So today we're going to go through setting up a flow that uses the Flow app that will automatically capture payment or hold payment or cancel the order for any low, medium, and high risk orders. What it will do is notify you for anything that is needed, anything that needs your attention, or it will seamlessly capture the payment automatically if the order analysis is low. So you'll see on this test store that I've done, you will notice the fraud analysis here is low. So the recommendation is to fulfill the order. You will notice the Flow app has gone through a series of flowcharts and captured the payment within the same minute of the order coming through. So, yes, the payment capture is on manual mode for Shopify. So this is how you can stop getting scammed with fees and all that sort of thing, is because when Shopify doesn't capture the payment automatically, it authorizes the payment. So then when either yourself or Flow goes in to have a look and see what the fraud analysis is, if you want to capture the payment and then you click capture or Flow does it, then it captures the payment automatically. And it's only on that capture is when you actually will be charged fees and any sort of chargeback request fees and anything that comes through. So yeah, let's go through and set up this Flow. So if you don't have Flow, you should just be able to search for it. It's a free app that Shopify has built. It is available to all Shopify merchants. It is an incredible app that basically does automations across your store, across anything. It's quite impressive. So it'll either have an install button or you can just go into it. So we have two options. I've given two options for setting up this flow today. I'm going to go through it in great detail, or you can click the link down below and you can go through to my store and you can purchase it. And you can just click import and you'll be able to add the file and you'll add this exact flow to your store, where you can click, just recommend changing the email address within the flow, and also changing your payment captures within your store to manual. And I'll show you how to do that now. So you go to settings and then you'll go to payments, and then the payment capture will be manual over here on the right hand side. You'll manage and then manually capture payments. I recommend leaving this on as well for medium orders, because it will send you a warning when the authorizations for the payments are close to expiring. So you do have to check these orders periodically if they come through at all. So then you just click save. And then we'll jump into Flow here. So you can either create the workflow from scratch, or you can import the one that is just down below in the bio or the description of this video. So what we'll do is I'll just go in and show you this flow. So I'll click edit here. So what it is doing, it is order risk analyzed. So that's when it's starting. And then if it is low, then it captures the payment automatically. So it's essentially like having automatic payment capture turned on, but it's going through these steps because it's happening the exact same minute or couple of minutes after the order comes through. And then if the order is medium, then it will add an order tag. So it will add the tags for review to the order, and it will also send an email to the email address listed in this step. So your email at email.com. I recommend clicking on this and changing your email in this section. You can do comma spaced for emails and then add more emails like so, and add as many emails as you like. So I reckon there's three places to change your email here, and then there's another step just down below, and then the last one. All right, so make sure you change your email in those three locations. But where were we? Medium, yeah. So in Medium here, it will send an internal email. I just didn't have an email address in here. Just like that. and it will send the email with the subject line medium risk order received with the order ID and the same message. So you're able to log into your Shopify store, see which order it is, and then be able to have a look at it. So I recommend going in, deciding if it's a genuine customer. So if you recognize the customer, or just cancel the order. Like if you're nervous about being scammed and nervous about chargebacks coming through, there is plenty of low risk orders coming through your store. So yeah, you can just cancel mediums as well. It's completely your choice as the business owner. High risk orders are generally guaranteed. I won't say guaranteed because nothing is guaranteed, but generally will come back with a chargeback at some point in time. But this will cancel the order straight away. The customer will receive the notification that the order has been cancelled, and then that will generally mean that scammers will go to another store, and hopefully they have this flow added on their store as well. But because you cancel the order before the payment has been captured and authorized, it means you will not be charged fees, Shopify fees, and chargeback fees, because there won't be any money to charge back from because you didn't capture the money from their account. So this cancels the order, and then it will add the customer tag high fraud risk. So I'll go over that in a second. And then it also sends an email to that email address again that I recommend changing, that says high risk order received and cancelled. And it shows you the order ID. And it also, back at the start of this video, you saw the 2 orders come through. That first order is a high risk and it's fully cancelled. The inventory is refunded back to your inventory location, and everything just goes on its merry way like a normal Shopify day. And then, so this high fraud risk customer tag, this will be added so that it checks if every customer has that high fraud risk. So basically this means is if the customer comes back to try and purchase again, then and they find that it has high fraud risk, then it will add the order tags, and then it will email you again with potentially fraudulent order received. And then you can go in and either cancel it, or if it was tagged by mistake, the customer was tagged by mistake, then you can confirm the order and capture the payment and do what's necessary. Yeah. And that is how you build out this flow. Highly recommend setting it up on your store. I know it's very scary with scammers and whatnot, but this happens across every Shopify store, every WooCommerce store, every online store has to have some sort of fraud protection. And yeah, we recommend and we use this for all our clients at Plus 5 Designs, this capture, this flow. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you have any requests for future videos, feel free to pop them down in the videos below as well. And I'm pretty sure that is everything. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.